Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, it's one of those end of summer car shows, and I figured I'd walk around and show you guys everything they got here. But one thing they brought out, which was kind of cool, they actually brought this train out, and it's diesel, and at idle it'll use a gallon an hour. So it was kind of cool. They brought it out and let everybody, take a look at it. They had the side compartments open, and you get to walk through it. It's actually pretty cool. That thing is 72 years old. I figure I'll walk around and see some of the cars here before the band starts up again. A lot of bikes here. Excuse me. Yeah, there's a lot of people here who just started, so a lot of cars here, whole Mustangs. A lot of purple. What is it? 1965 Pontiac. Wow. A lot of kids here too. Way more. An old IROC Z. I recorded one of these a while ago, about a year or so ago, a yellow one. It was really nice. But that one doesn't have the T-tops in it.
Smell it?
Mustang, Corvette, another Mustang. All Duster 340.
He's done it.
This is really nice too.
He said he did good. Pardon?
And those clouds look a little bad. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Oh, the Pontiac right here. The bugs are out. 1968 Pontiac Grand Prix. What a big car. Interior looks like it's all original, except for the steering wheel. But the outside, you can tell it's been resprayed. Yeah, there's been some work done to her, but nothing lasts forever. A little bit later, they're going to be doing the burnout pit, so that'll be fun. Turbo. Supercharger on it. Nice. My God, an old Thunderbird. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. I think this is right out of the 80s, if I'm right. Yeah, 1985. Wow. I have not wanted to see one of these in years. Trans Am. There goes that train. Real slow, it's taking off. There's a lot of cars here. Old Chevy truck. Camaro.
Sorry.
It's okay. Look at this. That's crazy. But it looks so cool. Yep, 63. Split window. This is pretty. All tubbed out the rear end and everything. It's a beautiful color. Wow. There was one I wanted to show you guys. Some of the old trucks, they have one here. It's rotted out. Let's go. So you gonna do the burnout pit?
Huh?
You gonna do the burnouts?
Hey, they can do whatever they want. That thing is open over there. I'm not in control.
Oh, there you
It's on
go.
video.
Yeah, good. There you go. Here's your claws. You get out of it. This thing is cool.
Scott, really? Scott,
Oop. Everybody and people everywhere. 1947. Wow. This thing is cool. You can tell it's on bags. Look at the seats in this. This is really cool. Wow. Oh, look what they did for the old Kentucky license plate. Turn it into, gauge pod. Modded pictures. That is really cool. Wow. It's got the stacks on it. Big chain around for the license plate.
Can I let it go or no?
Go ahead.
Giant mousetrap.
No, go ahead. All right. Come
This truck is cool. Look at that moonshine bottle with a spigot. Compressor in the tank for the airbags. This is wild. Wow. Here we have this. I seen this on the way in. This is really cool. It's got the bed in the back. Oh, shaggin' wagon. Old school sunroof. Wow. Old school wooden doors, inner door panels. Buddy of mine, Mark, used to have one like that, but his was older. The one I did on a barn find gem. And there's the bed in the back. That is cool. Well, take a look at some of these other ones they got around here up front. An old Corvette. There was a lot of cars here.
I brought him all.
What? Guys, everybody's having fun here. So when they do that burnout, when they do the burnouts, I'm definitely recording that. Old 1980s, maybe Z28. I had one of these in high school, and I miss it. But one of these days I'll get another one. All the gauges have been redone. So yeah, 1980, just like the one I had. Same color too. Mine was darker though. Midnight blue. Sorry, guys. There you go. Yeah, people still getting here. I mean, this has been going on for roughly an hour. GTO convertible. Nice. Oh yeah, and we got another one with a big motor hanging out of the hood. Gotta make our way over there. There you go. Good Lord. This thing don't pull the front end off the ground, nothing will. Wow. Like 1,000. Another one here. Super B with the wide body. Well, I'm going to split this video up maybe, because there are so many cars here to try and get these all in one video. Man. And that sky looks like it might rain. I just hope it doesn't. Wow, there's a lot of cars here. It's getting busier here too. They do this once a year. Okay, get my way out of here. You're looking at Alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. This will be part 1, so we'll be on to part 2. See you on that one.